guys, welcome today to a new video. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day today. So guys, today we're going to do a beautiful unboxing. It is a piece that I cannot wait to share with you guys, and so different from all the pieces that I have in my design. I'm absolutely happy that I got this, and it is from a brand that asked me to collaborate with them, and they are called LISAJEWERRYUS. So they're a brand that solely focus on engagement and wedding pieces, and their design is absolutely gorgeous. Their founder is actually called Lisa, and she really focuses on making the pieces really individual to the brides, to not to overshadow any person, but to emphasize the beauty in them and just makes it like sparkle a little bit more. And I really like the thought and idea behind that story. So as I said, they are a brand that is based in the US, but they actually operate globally and they are only online, which makes them a very affordable brand. Because remember, when you have like stores and things like that, all the cost goes into that, and it leaves you with a larger margin to put down to consumers. So they focus on the online market, which I find really, really interesting, but also a little bit risky when you're talking about engagement rings and wedding rings, because you feel like you want to order something that is beautiful or that has like a really, I don't know, like a secure thing, because it's for such a beautiful thing. So at first I was a little bit skeptical, but then I went through their website and their design is absolutely amazing. All their designs are with lab-grown diamonds if you're looking for diamonds. And I think that is a most affordable way, aside from not having stores, to just produce beautiful pieces that have magnificent quality and that you don't see the difference with the natural diamond pieces. And also with lab-grown diamonds, you guys know that I love them. I have been wearing a lot of pieces, not just only from this brand, but I think they're so sustainable and so much more affordable than a natural diamond, and you don't see any difference in these pieces. So let's move on to the unboxing, because I can tell you guys a lot about this brand, but I just want to share this piece with you guys because it's so beautiful. So this is the box that it came with. It is a beautiful light blue, baby blue color, which is absolutely gorgeous, and it really reminds me of the wedding season. And then inside, when you open it, it comes with all these certificates and pieces and things like that. So I really like this. So the first thing that you get when you open the box is that you see the certificate, and every piece that they have, they come with the IDYL certificate, which I think is really beautiful, so you know what type of carat you get and what type of piece this is. So there you can see it comes with the certificates, and mine is actually 1.5 carat, but they vary from 0.5 to 5 carat. And then you can see what type of carat I have. Like I have the opal one, which is beautiful, and then you have like the colors, which varies from D to F with it, and then also you have the VS plus clarity. So I really like that about them. It's kind of like the IGI certificate, and I really like that. And then it also comes with this like shiny polish your jewelry piece. It's kind of like just a jewelry piece cloth that they added to it. And I think these are kind of like the small things that you want to add to, or maybe for your consumers. Like we want those extras, and I think it's just really gorgeous. And then because you order it online, you do get a 45-day price match guarantee and also 30-day easy return. If something just happened and it just isn't the way you want it to, you can always return it. And then a 1-year free warranty. I think these are the things that really matters when you buy things online. You do want to try sometimes things out, but you want to be careful with what you buy and things like that. So I think that is really beautiful that they do it this way. And then you guys, this is the actual box and how we open it and you get everything out. This is kind of like how it looks like. So you can see it does come with a small pouch, and this is very useful when you want to travel with your ring, or you want to take it off but you don't want to damage it in any way. You can keep it in this beautiful pouch. which is absolutely adorable in this baby blue color again. I just love this baby blue color, by the way. I think it's so, as I said, like wedding season type of like. And so let us unbox it just a little bit more. So I'm going to get the ring box out. And it's such a beautiful box. You can see it. I think they put a lot of attention into the details. You even have like this beautiful kind of like little clip lock here. And then when you open it, it's the most gorgeous piece, you guys. I was absolutely blown away by this beautiful piece. It is nothing that I have in my collection, but it is so, so beautiful. So the one that I have is like an oval 1.5 carat piece. And then I chose in, I think, 14K yellow gold. And I think one of the things that is absolutely beautiful, if you're not someone that likes the yellow gold, they have options. So you can actually choose from sterling silver to 10K if you want like a cheaper option but still have like the yellow gold. You can go for 10K gold, or you can go for 13, or you can go like a little bit higher in price to 18K gold. But they also have platinum and palladium, so they have like a lot of options. And I think when you're like in that time where you want to think about the ring that you might be wearing, it is so, so good to have like many options to create something that is really truly you. And all of these things that really stunned me is that all of their pieces are handmade. So imagine that. I do think that when you order something and it's being made for you, it just makes it extra special. So even though they are a brand that is well established, it's really beautiful to see that they put like this type of care into their jewelry pieces. So this is the one that I got. Let me zoom it in for you guys. Let me see if we can get like a good focus. And of course, I am going to show you guys how it looks like, because I was absolutely blown away by this piece. It is so gorgeous. Look at this, how much it shines. And it's just like the perfect match for my hand. I literally have been wearing this like this, and I've gotten so many compliments. Like, it is so, so beautiful. It's amazing. It's really beautiful. So I think it's a very unique design. It's not too much. You can see it's like very subtle, but still like super elegant, super dainty. I think it's really gorgeous. Like, imagine just being proposed and getting this beautiful engagement ring. It is absolutely amazing. But even just like for daily wear, it is absolutely gorgeous. Now on their website, they also have multiple choices if you want to maybe stack it with another kind of like stack ring, or if you're like more into vintage or retro or modern, all those types of things they do have on the website. But I think just like looking at the design, they are super, super beautiful. And if you're looking for something that is special, that is affordable, that is beautiful, that you can wear every day like this, I think definitely you guys should take a look at this beautiful site. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm really, really happy that I collaborated with this brand, because I think they are really, really special. So the way that I've been wearing it, because of course I have, it is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. I have this, just like this small stack ring. It's like gold. Oh, by the way, I forget to tell you guys, because one thing that was really special to me is I wanted to add something to the ring, so I wanted it to be engraved. So I chose something that truly meant something for me, and they engraved it in the. I don't think that it shows. I don't think like the focus is that good, but I chose to let it be engraved. So especially for proposals and things like that, this is such a beautiful kind of like memory. So you can engrave like the date of the engagement, or the day that you started dating, or something like that, or your anniversary, like your relationship anniversary I'm talking about, because of course you haven't had like a true anniversary yet. But I think those are really beautiful things that you can add to that special day, that occasion that makes this ring even more special. So this is the way that I've been wearing it. I wanted to show you guys. So I just been using like just a little bit of a stack ring here, just to give it like a little bit of extra. Not much, but like a subtle like extra here. And this is kind of like how I've been wearing it since I've gotten it. Guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this beautiful addition to my jewelry collection. I'm absolutely amazed and stunned by the quality and the gorgeous piece on its own. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think. For now, I thank you so much for watching, and if you're new and you like this type of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. For now, I thank you again for being here, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!